For better viewing experience, consider watching this full screen. Listening to articles on PressReader. Select your preferred publication. Tap Read. Tap on the headphone image at the bottom. The article will now be narrated. Tap on the numbers at the bottom left to increase or decrease the speed of narration. You can also rewind, pause, or fast forward. You can also go back or go forward 15 seconds. If you find this video useful, like this video and subscribe for more. Do remember to turn on the bell for notification.